What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Oregon Trails video. I obviously am your beloved host, Russell Vineyard. Welcome. It's good to see you. We are out here in the snow. We are camping tonight. We're camping. It is about 10:30 in the morning right now. We are not leaving till 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's what we're doing. We are camping out here. We're up here overnight, 24 hours in the snow. Gonna be a good time. While I am over there setting up my camp, why don't you enjoy some lovely B-roll and drone footage from the hike in. Alright, here we are. Camp is all set up. Tarp shelter, help keep the warm in from the fire. Hike and bike Catadine sleeping bag. Ozark Trail sleeping pad. Firewood, fire pit. Dug a little bit of a fire pit. I thought maybe I could go all the way to the ground, but then I realized I'd be going down about 4 feet of snow and ice, and I had no real like of that. Hey, wild child of the 80s, if you ever watch this video, I'd like to let you know, this right here is a tree. Okay, a little bit of disclosure here for you. This is not a survival camp trip. I am not doing anything survival related. I'm just a guy camping in the woods under a tarp. I enjoy doing the survival stuff too. It's a giant pain in the butt to film it. For me it is, because it's so much work, so much work. Survival stuff is an incredible amount of work. I know a lot of people equate camping in the snow to like survival stuff, bushcrafty stuff. Maybe there's a little bit of bushcrafty going on here with the way I've got this set up, but honestly, this is not at all bushcraft. This is just me out in the woods having fun. I was supposed to be out here with a guy. Unfortunately, he came down with COVID, so he wasn't able to make it. Kind of a bummer. Hope he's okay. But that's that. So yeah, this is not survival camping in the slightest. This is just a dude out in the woods in the snow, sleeping under a tarp. Well, you can't tell, but it is pretty dark. Got the ISO and white balance turned up quite a bit. ISO is at 6400, and the white balance is pretty high. It's actually pretty dark. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you what it is normally. So yeah, there's normal right there. Kick that back up. There we go. Ooh. So, camping in the snow, huh? Beautiful fire in front of us. Nice and toasty. I stepped out over there for a few minutes a little bit ago to pee, and it's definitely a lot colder over there. Truth be told about this whole camping in the snow business, it's fun. It really is. I'm thoroughly been enjoying myself. I'm definitely cold right now. Not freezing, but I'm chilly. I got my big puppy jacket on, sitting real close to the fire to warm up. As soon as I get in that sleeping bag though, it's lights out. Time on deck right now is 5:30. 5:30 p.m. So if you can tell, underneath the fire, there's this little cavern developed where the snow's melted. Eventually, all this wood's going to cave right into that. Check out how the snow is melting around the fire. Huge cavern down underneath. Eventually all this stuff's gonna fall right into that stick, and there's a bigger piece right there that's just holding it up right now. You see how far that fire has sunk in? That's where it used to be. Way down there now. It's creating its own little pit. So what's going on is, as it drops down, there's a layer of coals that keep everything warm, and it just keeps getting replaced by more coals every time they kind of start going out because of the snow. It works out super well like this. Like this area I'm in right now is incredibly warm. It's toasty. It's lovely. Okay, it's late. Going to bed. Good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. It's about 6 a.m. Just sitting here. I got what's left of my fire going again, just to get it going. It's cold. It's right around 30. I think I checked the temperature earlier. It was 28. It's cold. It's very, very cold. But I did get my fire going. So the fire actually burned all the way down to the ground. See the steam coming up my pants. That's about 3.5 feet all the way straight to the ground.